Can we play anything other than Overwatch, please?
I said customs, Overwatch customs, you
No,
dog.
not Overwatch. I can't play Overwatch.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
you
Yeah,
can.
well then eat shit.
No, I'm not touching Blizzard Activision.
Oh, that
That's,
sounds
that's
like,
like
sounds
you
more like
got.
you won't.
Why
not
do you
that can't.
just have to have
Wait.
I
these?
wish you guys would have
Hey,
similar stances
Jack.
to me.
Mingo, your stances like they're just so
Would you play
unreasonable. We just
customs?
want to
It's
play a
a very
game.
reasonable stance. Play a
just
game
wanna
made
play
by
a game.
play a game made by a company that's not garbage.
You
God.
would? Okay,
Bro,
then we
the
have
game is
3v3s.
fun. Who cares about the company?
The company
We'll
made
just
the
play
game. They're
3v3s.
making money off the
Who
game.
cares? The
Okay.
game is
CEO
fun.
is
Bro,
Factorio, a
Hawk is
hardcore
right
racist,
sometimes.
yet you still play their game just fine.
Well, who'd you
oh,
call a
Nosh is a
racist?
fucking hardcore racist.
Nosh
You
doesn't
play their
own
game just
Minecraft
fine.
anymore. It's fine.
But he
It
did.
did, and
He
you were
made
still
that
playing
shit.
it.
He
If
made
Over-
that shit.
At the time, I didn't know he was a racist.
That's crazy. But you still play
That's
Minecraft.
crazy.
You know,
I
if
knew
Overwatch
that.
was sold
You
to
know now.
somebody, if Overwatch was sold to a company that's not as bad as Blizzard Activision, I'd be
Bro,
fine
why
with
can't
it.
you just enjoy the product? I don't
No, I can't
understand.
enjoy the product because it's associated with a fucking piece of shit.
Who
It's
cares?
free,
It's
Mingo!
honestly.
No, in fact, I think all less of you that you're willing to put this issue aside.
Hey, well,
I think
that's
less of
actually
you because
frankly,
of
I
how
don't
retarded
give a
your
shit.
to the
brain
rest
is,
of humanity.
Mingo.
Fuck you
Fuck
guys.
humanity, bro.
You
I don't give a
fuck you.
what have I ever
Art and
given a
the
fuck about humanity?
When have I ever given a fuck about you?
Then
Yeah,
shut the
so
fuck
you
up,
shouldn't
bro.
care.
Like
Come play
I
the
gotta
game
be
then.
meaner to you right now, bro.
I ought to
Quit
be meaner to
bitching.
you. You're always
Quit
mean to me.
bitching
Every
then.
day you're mean to me.
Quit. Then because
Mingo,
you keep
fag. Mingo,
because you
shut the
keep
fuck up.
bitching like
Mingo,
this,
you-
bro. You
you-
keep bitching.
Fuck you, NG.